Hey SS Beauties, it's Shantae Stylez here, and today I will be doing a Microlink extension maintenance. So first off, I love this brand hair that we use for this Microlink install because it seamlessly blends with my client's hair. The hair extensions that you use will make or break the install. I cannot stress this enough. So right here, you'll see me tightening her Microlink extensions so she can get a longer wear out of her install. So as I'm recording this, it's been about 8 weeks since we installed the West, and we've been doing routine maintenance roughly every 2 weeks to keep her real hair healthy and keep her install fresh. I just want to note that the Microlink extension install that you see here is not to be confused with the iTip install, of which I do not provide as a service due to my love for full and healthy hair. So the install that I do uses an entire wealth of hair, and it's secured to my client's real hair with a silicone protected microbead. Another note, all Microlink extension installs require a consultation, so don't forget to schedule yours.
Yes. It's a perfect lens. It's perfect.